Oh yeah. Good morning, everyone. Chris at Dentless Touch. So today we have an administrative day. I do have one appointment though. I hope he shows up. So I can film this for you guys. It's a pretty decent sized dent in a BMW. The customer stated it was 1 inch. I then responded, and it looks a little bit bigger than a 1 inch dent, probably between 3 and 4 inches. But nevertheless, we are going to try to repair that, and I'm going to kind of walk you through my slow day. Thursday's my slow day. I try to focus on the company. I think it's always needed at least 1 day a week, and I'm going to bring you guys along. So let's go. Alright guys, so we just made it to the shop, and I already have my tools ready, so I'm just waiting for the customer. He has a 9:30 appointment. It is, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is 8:20. It is 8:20 right now, and we are going to get started. I'm going to do some administrative stuff like I told you guys before, and this mainly consists of sending out emails to, we use a like an email flyer every month, so I'm going to send that, get that ready for the August flyer. I'm going to set up some of my ads that I do on Google, and then that's pretty much it. Pretty much get us ready for the following week is what I do. So Thursday I kind of plan for the Monday rush. So call customers. We do have a lot of customers that pick up and I'm not there, so they pick up after hours. So I'm gonna call them this morning, make sure that everything was okay with their repair, and then wait for this 9:30 appointment. Actually, I think the 9:30 appointment is right here, so he got here a little earlier. So here we go. Change the plans. Alright guys, let's talk about price. So I never disclose the actual price that I charge the customer on this channel, and I probably never will. I will tell you this is an aluminum deck lid, so I did charge 25% markup for that, and a 25% markup because it's on the body line. We do use Mobile Tech RX, but we use a custom matrix on that. So if anybody is asking questions about the actual price, that's pretty much summarizes us with pricing. What's wrong? As you know, this is kind of like a bucket, so there's no access, you can't drill or anything like that. But there's a little gap in between here, and I'll show you guys that. But I'm just gonna slide my tool in between this little gap right here, and then should have enough leverage to remove the dent. Let me show you guys that. Alright guys, let's take a look at the finished product. I want to thank you for joining in on that quick repair on that BMW 540. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content, or hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post the next video. Again guys, don't forget to like too if you can, and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Stay dent free.